drop small things. Una we need driver's license. Italy, I dey tell you, Europe, if you get driver's license, it good and it dey very easy for you to get job opportunity. To get job, it dey easy. And I know say the language, it dey difficult for us, especially we where we be the English countries. It dey hard for we. So one of our brother, when God don't bless him, in the year the Italy, where. So he won't come explain the thing, teach you in Italy. In PG, he go break everything down. You understand? So he won't break everything down for you. May you understand everything. One thing where we need to understand, he not be he won't go write the exam for you for the day of the exam. Now you go, but he won't teach you. He won't train you till you become perfect. You go right. So he na teacher he be. He not fit tell you say if you go register for my school, 2 weeks you go right. It depend you waiting there this your brain. If this your brain they work fast, now so you go take right and fast. Because he no be magician where you won't go carry the question and answers put for your head. He want to teach you in English that pidgin where you go understand and be in work. So he not get any spirit. In with any spiritual realm, no they work. He want to teach you. He go explain the west to west to you. Me, I dey learn for in hand. Everybody get his own professional. Now in own way you don't sabi where they do. So when I go call, where when I go ask irrelevant question, let me use that word because you get some question. If you ask, you yourself, you know say this question. If not me, they call me, they ask me, I go just snap the person. So before you go ask question, know where you go answer. Where the guy dey, bro. Na Brescia side the day, but anywhere you dey because the study na online. Na online, when I go Zoom or whatever. Now when I go do one. You understand? So anywhere around the world where you dey. So far as no be Krikri Junction you dey, you go fit do the you go fit go to school. So we go call her, him by himself go speak with his own language. If na Bini, he go take explain to you. If maybe na PG, you know they hear waiting and they talk because my PG get K-leg. He won't come speak PG for una because na Nigeria brother. So Gloria die number Makola. Hey, which English I they speak die number Makola. My people the grammar sometimes good man they speak the PG because if I start this grammar, some people go get head problem. Driving license. Okay, they call her. Yeah, my people, we won't call her. May you explain some things. Give you now. Yeah, good evening, sir.
How is everybody?
We are doing amazing.
Okay. I greet everybody where he did the house. I greet both the men and the women. We did class at this very moment, but I still need to address so many issues. Plenty people, they call me, they ask me, this Triple P Institute, what is it all about? So now I say, I will create time, make I address people. This Triple P Institute, what we they do, we they give online driving lessons. The online driving lessons, they start from 7:30 in the evening, go reach 9 o'clock in the evening, from Monday to Friday. And these things, what make our own driving school very different from every other driving school. Every other driving school, they do them based on the fact, say they need the money. Why we they do our own? Because we want pass knowledge to people. Another thing is, say some people go ask me question. They go ask, say, if they pay the registration fee, what will be their fee? I they feel they dodge that question because I don't know what thing they think. I don't know the amount of time where they get, where they will feel put for this thing, where they will take pass the thing. But one thing I know for sure, say if you put time, you will fit get this driver's license. Some people they ask, say, which city they did? So once you study with us, you will go, once you don't know what we study, then you will go motorizazione civile. Where you go for the city where you dey, you will go collect the form. Once you fill the form, you will go post office, you will see 3 bulletins for inside the kit where they want give you. 16 euro into 2 and 126 euro 40 cents. You will go pay them for post office. Once you pay them for post office, you will go back to that same motorization and you go submit the kit. They will give you date, may you come to write the exam. Once you don't write the exam, as luck will have it, you can't pass. Motorization will come give you what they call a folio rosa. That folio rosa means you go fit drive motor with person will get 10 years driver's license. Now that folio rosa you can carry go any auto squaller where you go for your city. You say you want to drive practical with them. Each city gets their own charges, but according to the Ministry of Transport and Mobility, the minimum hours where you go fit drive, now it be 6 hours. Now you go fit drive before the fixed date for you for the practical. But if at the end of that 6 hours, you never fix the select JAR 1, JAR 2, you don't know the difference between JAR 1, JAR 2, JAR 3, up to JAR 4, then you still need to drive many hours. And for those people where they call me, they tell me, say, the thing, na connection, they not go fit sit down, they write them. Me, I know the right for person. And for those people who see the live the talk, say, they be get Nigeria driver's license. They want change them. People fit tell you, say, it is very easy because they are just interested in that money. You go face it do them. But for the fact, you were supposed to fair know the country will get treaty with Italy. But as far as I know Philippines and Sri Lanka, they get that treaty with Italy. Say, if you come from Philippines or Sri Lanka and you get your own country driving license, they go fit change them to Italian driver's license. But as for Nigeria, I don't know whether Nigeria get that kind of bilateral agreement. But another question, see the way people see they call me, they ask me, say, now, the day for Napoli, Sunday for Sicily, how they want to do one? Online, we get link where we go send give you. You go enter the link, you go enter the class room. But in all, what you need time to fit take learn. Now these little words now I get for you, even as we talk people, they class. Sure. They wait, they go teach this talk. Now this one I get for those people where you never see get the full clue of what we did do.
Okay, but sir, you go fit drop your number in case if someone wants to call you for more details.
Okay, our number now 3510225726. I repeat, 3510225726. So now here I just say make I let you know what we they do. Many people not going to call me, they tell me what I know they do. Now good night. And Black Europe, yeah, I really appreciate all your effort. May God continue to. Some people even they talk say, you get money where I they pay you. How many are you to know? I not really reply the person. He say you they continue to the broadcast for me, and me I know they perform well. Maybe you get money where I can bribe you. Me and you don't see. I know you.
I never see you. Now I think through one woman self. Now I say know you self. Now person drop your comment on this same live video. Right. Yeah, the woman is saying right through you. So he said even my fellow Ghanaians don't write through you where you mention their name. The first day self me with the woman quarrel because he dropped the number, he not inform me. So from there now he can't give me your number. Now me self call you. I think that day working place. So me self I never see you. I did Torino, but we never meet.
Okay. Thank you very much. Make we clear that part of doubt, because some people believe say get one big money where I give you, wait till they do the thing every time. So now so it be. God continue to bless your effort, and Sonority TV where you see they do the same advice. I really appreciate you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, sir.
So, okay.
Ciao.
Okay.
So my people, when I hear from our teacher in own math, me self they do the lesson. He no pay me and me self no be send me with and get any banana show. Na person self drop comment say this person you good oh for the patente. Now me start the promo for her. This promo, although say there are some things where they do, where they charge, they promote, but this man, God, heaven and earth is witness. Say me with no get any agreement. I never see her. Even he wan install some application for my phone where I go take follow up with am, but time not let our two. Now on sister dey life, they don start lesson when me register for the school because of location where I move. You know, you can't get as e be for there, you know. So my people, now just free heart to do and support. Official Crack, I greet you. Chidani, I greet you. Balance Way, I greet you. Lovett TV, Germany, I greet you. Sister Emilia and Mr. Mr. Ponche, I dey greet you. Sister Emilia with Mr. Jedu, I still greet you now in Piacenza. Forgia, Napoli side, all the Ghanaians where una dey that Forgia camp. I greet all of una Ghanaians. Me checha munina more Forgia and Tripoli ne baby Zwara Accra na we me amechiao ye Ghana ni nko amechiao. Yeah, I greet everybody anywhere you dey. Torino, Milano, Roma, Calabria, everywhere at all, anywhere you are was, my greetings to you. Share the video, like the video, subscribe to this channel if you appreciate our good work. We are here to serve you, to give you the info, the correct one, the one way will help your life. Now we dey here, we do. We are not here because of your money. We are here just to support you and let you know what's going on in the country. Me love you all. Until next time, adios.